snacks is popcorn, so we're going to make caramel popcorn today.
What you'll need is 3 to 4 quarts of popcorn, 1 cup of brown sugar, a stick of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a cup of corn syrup.
We're going to start with popping popcorn on the stovetop. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of organic, unrefined, virgin expeller pressed coconut oil because of the extra flavor it gives to the popcorn. Coconut oil is also one of the oils that movie theaters often use to pop their popcorn. We're also going to use 1/4 of a cup of organic yellow unpopped popcorn. We buy it in bulk from Azure Standard to save money and to always have it on hand for a good snack.